Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit suppliers in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your supplier information up to date is essential for accurate record keeping and smooth business operations. So let's walk through this simple process together. First, you'll want to navigate to the left navigation menu in your QuickBooks Online dashboard. From there, click on Expenses. This will open up a submenu with several options related to your business expenditures. Look for suppliers in this submenu and click on it. This section houses all your supplier profiles and is your central hub for managing vendor relationships and contact details. Once you're in the supplier section, you'll see a complete list of all the suppliers you've added to QuickBooks. Browse through this list and find the specific supplier whose information you need to update. It could be anything from a change in their contact details to an updated billing address. When you've located the right supplier, click directly on their name. This action will open up their full profile, giving you access to all the information currently stored for that vendor. Now that you're viewing the supplier's profile, look for the Edit button. This button is typically positioned prominently within the profile view, making it easy to spot. Click on Edit to enter the editing mode. This is where you'll be able to modify any details related to this particular supplier, whether it's their email address, phone number, payment terms, or any other relevant information that might have changed since you first created their profile. With the editing interface now open, go ahead and make the necessary changes to the supplier's information. Take your time here to ensure accuracy, as this data will be used for invoices, payments, and reports throughout QuickBooks. You might need to update their company name, adjust their billing address, or change their preferred payment method. Whatever the changes may be, QuickBooks makes it straightforward to update each field. After you've completed all your edits and double-check that everything looks correct, click the Save button. This finalizes your updates and stores the new information in the supplier's profile. Your changes will now be reflected across all relevant areas in QuickBooks, ensuring consistency in your financial records and supplier communications. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.